Let's talk about discharge and what your kitty cat is trying to tell you about your health. So clear or white discharge, that means healthy discharge. That's great, that's good, that's what we want. So that's letting us know that everything is functioning. It could be thin or stretchy or creamy, something similar to this. That is fine. And it usually happens after your period is done or before your period or ovulation time. So that's good. So thick, white, and clumpy, that is a sign of a yeast infection, especially if it is burning you and itching you down there. So remember, good discharge, yeast infection. Now, if you have yellowish green, that could be a sign of BV, overgrowth of yeast infection, or an STI. Usually it's mostly STI or trichomoniasis. That is a sign, girl, to go to the doctors, especially if you just had sex with somebody and your discharge looks like this. Go get tested. Now, if it's a grayish discharge, that could be a sign of BV, bacterial vaginosis. And the way that you might know that you have it is if it's a fishy odor smell down there. Usually this does happen after sex. So if you notice a smell in your discharge and it's looking like this, that probably means that you have BV. But it could also kind of look like this color too. So if you are feeling weird down there, go get tested, go find out what you have. If you're spotting light red or kind of a pinkish color, it could be multiple things. That could be an early sign of pregnancy, implantation. It could also mean that your period is coming down, or if you're on birth control, you could be spotting on it depending on the hormones. And even cervical irritation if you just finished having sex or just had a pap smear. So ladies, your discharge is always trying to tell you something, but let me know if you've ever seen any of these colors.